Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this pineapple fried rice in pineapple. Let's get started! I already cut the pineapple into half. Cut a little bit here on the back so it can lay flat. Nice! Like a bowl. Let's start scooping the meat inside. First, let's run the knife on the side. Be very careful, guys. Then here. And let's cut in between the core. Here, this side. Let's cut it. Make sure you're not cutting it all the way through the skin, okay? Like you're cutting a mango. Ooh, nice. Wow, look at this, guys. So just scoop this out, okay? Careful. And this is how it looks like after I scoop out the meat. Let's add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Let's cook the tofu. You can use any protein you like, meat or shrimp. But this time I want to go with tofu. You just need to brown this. Oh, that is beautiful. Flip and cook the other side. Fry the sides as well. This is perfect. Nice and crispy. Now let's set this aside. Using the same pan, let's add a tablespoon of cooking oil. Let's fry the egg. This is perfect. Now let's set this aside. Let's make the sauce for our fried rice. We need 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a tablespoon of honey, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of curry powder. Mix this together. Mix this well and set aside. Let's start making the fried rice. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and a tablespoon of sesame oil. Let's saute the garlic and the ginger. Nice! I love adding sesame oil in my fried rice. It gives more aroma into it. Let's add the carrots. Saute this for a minute. Now let's add the green peas, the corn. Cook this for a minute. Wish you guys can smell this garlicky, gingery, sesame oily aroma. It smells really good. Add 3 cups of cooked rice. And let's add our special sauce. Ooh. Well to coat the rice. And the star of this fried rice, the pineapple. Check this out. How pineapple-y is this fried rice? Let's add the tofu. Tofu. There you go. And the egg. The cashew nuts. I add the cashew nuts last because this is already cooked. And let's give this a quick stir. Wow, delicious pineapple fried rice in the house tonight. Ooh. This is so good. And let's add some spring onions. Ooh. Quick stir. And we're all set. Oh my god, look at this. Pineapple fried rice, guys. Isn't it delicious? Yum. The sweetness of pineapple in the fried rice tastes very tropical. Blends so well with the rest of the seasonings. It's really good, guys, with all the flavors in it. Oh my goodness. It's so good. Look at that deliciousness together in one. So good. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.